call it Marang. And this is the station. Let's see another station. Sing, dance, and we will go to see the other station. So today it is Arau, not Fiesta, but it is Arau. Good morning. Wow, it is full of food also. Good morning. And wow. Yeah. The students start to sing to the one of the teacher. It is her birthday. Really here in the Philippines, it is a happy people all the time. They are smiling, whatever they have a problem or utang or any problem, but still they are really welcoming the other people. They are really happy. They love to sing, to make karaoke. These people are really amazing. We will see another station, and this is the other station, but still not yet complete. Good morning. Hi, how are you? So I think this is the station for your class. Yeah, grade 9. So this is the station for grade 9, which it is for my son. And but it's still not yet finished. This and that station. Good morning. It will be for grade 7, which it is for my daughter. And it is full of fruit, which it is, we have banana, we have marang, watermelon, even we have vegetable, and a lot of rambutan. Wow. And there is a new fruit. I think it's still, maybe I try it. That one is the guabano. Yeah, you can say it is a fruit or vegetable. So that one, it is a fruit, and it is named guabano, and full of watermelon. There is banana everywhere. And today is the Arau. Today my daughter wearing a special and this is my hero son, my wife, and the student today is amazing, wearing different dress than the uniform of the school. Good morning. How are you? Wow. Good morning. So these are all the classmates of Nadia, and today is really amazing day. It is the day Arau. Where is it there? Yes, Arau. But guys, please don't ask me what to mean by Arau. I am still in here, but I love it. I like it. It is amazing. Between time to time there is activity, even if it is a public school, but the activity is more than here. The people is really sweet, nice, smiling, whatever is, they are smiling. And like what I say, even if it is a public school, high international school, but they have more activity than where we are before in a high standard school, bilingual school. Activity is less. Here the activity is really nice. Yet even my son, my daughter, from day one, that comparing between this school and the previous school, and they keep saying that no, this is more better. And wow, it is amazing. I think this day still the celebration not yet start even, but I think it will be very nice day. We will talk later.
Lang ito ang ating programa. At pinaalalahanan din namin lahat ng mga mag-aaral na pag tayo ay nagsisimula na sa ating programa, kung maaari ay wala na pong palakad-lakad kung saan-saan. Pinaalalahanan po natin lahat ng ating mga mag-aaral na pag nagsisimula na ang ating programa, lahat po tayo ay dito sa covered court upang ating masaksihan ang daloy ng ating programa sa umaga nito. Yan ang po at maraming salamat.
Yumaman ito kahit lubuluhang nakagapos. Ngunit kapag nakalaya, asahan mo magsasabog ng bulaklak at insenso sa anak ng paghahamon. Ang wika nga, walang wikang isinilang upang maging mas mataas kaysa ibang salitaan. Aba hintay, walang wikang sa sariling yumayaman na higit pa sa may-ari gumagamit araw-araw. Umiibig man at manalig sa banyaga, ngunit huwag lilimutin ang sarilit inang wika. Malango na sa mabangot bulaklaking dayong dila, ngunit huwag isasala, pati diwa mo malaya. Ang wika ko'y wika nating malikhain, may hiwaga ng gunitang paghinukay lumalalim. Langhapin mo't ang linamnam, umaalab kung haplusin. Kabaak mo buong buo, iyong-iyo panginangkin. Isang tula na pinamagata ang wika ni Rio Almario. Maalab na pagbati po kapwa ko Pilipino. Maligayang pakikilahok sa panapos na palatuntunan sa buwan ng wikang pambansa na may temang Filipino, wikang mapagpalaya. Inaanyayahan po ang lahat na tumayo para sa panalangin at pambansang awit na pangungunahan ng ating guro sa Filipino na si Ginang Faith Nacua.
guys. Already they start first they pray, then
Huwag kayong maniwala sa matatamis na salita ng mga Amerikano!
Kapag nakapaglaban kami, babagsak ang ekonomiya. Paano namin mapapakain ang aming mga pamilya?
Negosyo o kalayaan, bayan ang sariling pumili ka! Kilala kita! Kasali ka sa gobyerno sibil ng Kastila at ng mga ibang Espanya, lumipat ka agad ng bakod at ngayon tayo naman ang mga anib, makikisipin ka naman sa bandila ng Amerika! Matigil ka na! Lahat tayong interes. Tao lang mahal. Paano ninyo nasisigurang pag-usapan ng negosyo kung mangalipin tayo sa sarili nating bayan?
Ang sinasabi ng iba, hinahanap ko daw po ilignahan. Pero ba't hindi mo tayo magkompromiso?
Isinusuka ko ang limaan, Novel. Pero ang kompromiso, wala ba tayong karapatan kumain ng malaya? Na hindi nakakamit ng kalayaan sa pagkaaruga sa kanilang minamahal sa buhay. Kailangan nila ng bayan.
Ano pong kanggahan?
Dugo at pawis. Kailangan nilang tumalon sa kawalan.
Sandali siya lang mga tao! Huwag ka lang sa inang pala! Huwag ka! Susunod na mga kabukayan!
Mga kapatid, mayroon tayong mas malaking kaaway kaysa mga Amerikano. Ang ating sarili.
Ang inahin kong Pilipinas, lupain ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig na sa
very nice. I really enjoy the show. This fiesta is really incredible. Something new for me. The culture here. Each area have a specific day, and they call it fiesta. Everywhere in the province here, again, they are making fiesta. They will share the food. Even this year in the school, international high school. Like what I said, there is section, grade 7 section, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, 11, 12. They are sharing food, fruit, to teach the children to share and to care, to be kind with the other people. So, thank you for watching. We'll talk again in another video.
Thank you.